Welcome back to Torque Talk. In this detailed guide, we'll break down 3 Subaru models you should buy in 2025 and 3 you should avoid, considering factors like performance, reliability, technology, and overall value. Before I jump to the video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And like this video, it will help me to grow up. 3 Subaru cars you should buy in 2025. 3. 2025 Subaru Outback. The perfect adventure wagon. The 2025 Subaru Outback continues to be a top choice for those seeking a versatile, rugged, and practical vehicle that blends SUV capability with wagon practicality. Known for its legendary all-wheel drive system, the Outback excels in various terrains, making it an ideal option for adventure seekers and families alike. Subaru has kept its tradition of offering a vehicle that performs well in snow, dirt, and gravel, while remaining comfortable on paved roads. One of the biggest reasons the Outback stands out is its spacious and well-designed interior. Subaru has given the 2025 model a refresh with improved materials, offering soft-touch surfaces and a redesigned dashboard. The cabin is incredibly roomy, with ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. Cargo space remains generous, making it easy to store luggage, camping gear, or groceries without sacrificing passenger comfort. For those who love road trips, the comfortable seating and low road noise make long drives enjoyable. Under the hood, the 2025 Outback offers 2 engine choices. The standard 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine delivers a good balance of power and efficiency, making it ideal for everyday commuting. For those who crave more power, the turbocharged 2.4-liter engine in the XT models provides a significant boost in acceleration and towing capacity. This makes the Outback a strong choice for those who need to haul trailers or gear for outdoor adventures. Fuel efficiency is another strong point, with the Outback delivering an impressive combined MPG, making it more economical than many traditional SUVs. Technology has always been a strong selling point for Subaru, and the 2025 Outback is no exception. The new 11.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system is more responsive and features updated software for seamless smartphone integration. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing drivers to stay connected without distraction. Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology has been further refined, providing enhanced adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These safety features make the Outback one of the safest vehicles in its segment. On the road, the Outback delivers a smooth and composed ride. The suspension absorbs bumps well, making for a comfortable drive even on rough terrain. The higher ground clearance compared to most wagons and crossovers allows the Outback to handle off-road conditions with ease. 2. 2025 Subaru Forester. The reliable everyday SUV, the 2025 Subaru Forester remains one of the most reliable and well-rounded SUVs in its class, offering a perfect blend of comfort, efficiency, and off-road capability. Subaru has always positioned the Forester as a compact SUV that caters to families, adventurers, and commuters alike. With its spacious interior, excellent visibility, and standard all-wheel drive, the Forester is a great choice for those who need a dependable vehicle for both city driving and weekend getaways. One of the biggest strengths of the 2025 Forester is its practicality. The interior is thoughtfully designed, with high-quality materials and a simple yet functional layout. Subaru has slightly refreshed the cabin, giving it a more modern feel with soft-touch surfaces and an updated infotainment system. The seating is comfortable, with plenty of room for both front and rear passengers. Unlike many compact SUVs that feel cramped in the back, the Forester offers ample legroom, making long trips much more comfortable. While it may not be the most powerful engine in its class, it is highly fuel efficient and pairs well with the continuously variable transmission, CVT, to provide a refined ride. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction in all weather conditions, making the Forester a solid choice for those who live in areas with harsh winters or frequently travel on dirt roads. The handling is stable and confidence-inspiring, with a slightly higher ground clearance than some competitors, allowing for light off-roading capabilities. Technology is another area where Subaru has made improvements. The 2025 Forester features an updated 11.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to connect a smartphone for navigation, music, awakening, and calls. Subaru has also improved its EyeSight Driver Assist package, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision braking. These features enhance overall safety and give drivers peace of mind on the road. The Forester has consistently earned high safety ratings, and the latest model continues that tradition. Driving the Forester is a pleasant experience, thanks to its well-tuned suspension that absorbs bumps effectively. The steering is responsive, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Whether you're navigating through busy city streets or taking a scenic drive through the mountains, the Forester remains composed and comfortable. The ride quality is smooth, and road noise is kept to a minimum. 1. 2025 Subaru Crosstrek, the compact off-road star. The 2025 Subaru Crosstrek is one of the most well-rounded subcompact SUVs on the market, offering a perfect combination of off-road capability, fuel efficiency, and modern technology. Designed for those who want a smaller SUV without compromising on adventure readiness, the Crosstrek continues to be a top choice for young professionals, outdoor enthusiasts, and city dwellers alike. Subaru has fine-tuned its design for 2025, making it an even better option for those seeking a practical yet rugged vehicle. One of the biggest strengths of the Crosstrek is its ability to handle a variety of terrains while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. Unlike many compact SUVs that are primarily designed for urban environments, the Crosstrek is built to go off the beaten path. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance, it can tackle dirt trails, snow-covered roads, and rocky paths with ease. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system comes standard, ensuring optimal traction in any condition. Whether you're commuting through the city or exploring a remote campsite, the Crosstrek delivers reliable performance. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Crosstrek is comfortable and practical. The materials used feel premium for its class, and the seats provide good support for long drives. Rear passengers get decent legroom for a subcompact SUV, and cargo space is more than adequate for road trips or grocery runs. Under the hood, the 2025 Crosstrek offers two engine options. The base model features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that provides decent power for daily driving while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. For those who want more performance, Subaru offers a 2.5-liter engine that delivers more horsepower and torque, making highway merging and uphill driving easier. Both engines are paired with a CVT, which offers a smooth driving experience while maximizing fuel economy. The plug-in hybrid version is also expected to return, providing an eco-friendly option for those who want even better mileage. Safety remains a priority for Subaru, and the Crosstrek is no exception. The latest EyeSight Driver Assist technology comes standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and emergency braking. Additional features such as blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert are available in higher trims. These safety systems have been fine-tuned to offer even better responsiveness, making the Crosstrek one of the safest vehicles in its class. On the road, the Crosstrek delivers a smooth and composed ride. The suspension absorbs road imperfections well, making for a comfortable drive on highways and city streets. The steering is light but precise, allowing for easy maneuvering in tight spaces. 3 Subaru cars you should avoid in 2025. 3. 2025 Subaru Ascent, the SUV to avoid. The 2025 Subaru Ascent was supposed to be the perfect 3-row SUV for families, offering ample space and Subaru's signature all-wheel drive capability. However, despite its practicality, the Ascent has fallen short in several key areas, making it one of the least desirable Subaru models for 2025. While it does have some strengths, including safety features and a comfortable cabin, its weaknesses outweigh its benefits. One of the main issues with the Ascent is its reliability. Since its launch, the Ascent has faced multiple complaints regarding engine problems, transmission issues, and overall durability. The 2025 model has attempted to address some of these concerns, but many drivers remain skeptical about its long-term dependability. The turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, while offering decent power, has been known for its oil consumption problems and occasional overheating. Pair that with Subaru's CVT, which has had its share of complaints over the years, and you have a vehicle that may not hold up well over time. Another major drawback is the Ascent's driving experience. Despite having a powerful engine, the SUV feels sluggish, especially when fully loaded with passengers and cargo. The transmission struggles at times, resulting in jerky acceleration. Handling is also not as refined as competitors like the Honda Pilot or Toyota Highlander. The steering feels vague, and the ride quality is less comfortable than expected from a family SUV. Interior space is one of the Ascent's redeeming qualities, but even that comes with drawbacks. While the cabin is spacious and offers plenty of room for passengers, the third row is still tight for adults. The quality of materials used is not up to par with its competitors, as hard plastics dominate the dashboard and door panels. The infotainment system, while functional, can sometimes be slow to respond, and Subaru's software is not as refined as other brands. Fuel economy is another weak spot for the Ascent. While Subaru markets it as an efficient SUV, real-world fuel consumption often falls short of expectations. 2. 2025 Subaru WRX, a disappointing performance sedan. The Subaru WRX has long been an icon in the performance car world, known for its rally-inspired design and all-wheel drive capability. However, the 2025 Subaru WRX is one of the most disappointing models in the lineup, failing to live up to its predecessors. While it still offers decent performance, several key issues make it a model to avoid this year. One of the biggest complaints about the 2025 WRX is its lackluster design. Subaru has taken a more conservative approach with the WRX's styling, moving away from its aggressive and sporty past. The plastic body cladding, which debuted in the previous generation, remains controversial, giving the WRX an awkward crossover-like appearance. For a sports sedan, the design does not inspire excitement, making it less appealing to enthusiasts. Performance-wise, the WRX still packs a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine, but the driving experience feels underwhelming. The acceleration is decent, but it does not offer the same thrill as some of its competitors, like the Honda Civic Type R or Volkswagen Golf R. Subaru's CVT transmission, which is available in certain trims, further dulls the performance. Even with a manual transmission, the WRX lacks the precision and excitement that previous generations were known for. The interior is another letdown. While Subaru has improved materials slightly, the WRX's cabin still feels cheap compared to other performance sedans. Hard plastics are everywhere, and the overall design feels dated. The infotainment system is functional, but not particularly impressive. Additionally, the ride quality is harsher than necessary, making it uncomfortable for daily driving. For those looking for a true performance sedan in 2025, the WRX is not the best choice. 1. 2025 Subaru Legacy, the sedan that falls behind. The Subaru Legacy has always been the brand's go-to midsize sedan, offering all-wheel drive as a standard feature and a comfortable ride. However, in 2025, the Legacy struggles to keep up with the competition, making it one of the Subaru models to avoid. While it does have a few redeeming qualities, such as safety features and a spacious cabin, it falls short in several key areas, making it a less attractive choice in the crowded midsize sedan market. One of the main reasons the Legacy is a disappointment in 2025 is its outdated design and lack of excitement. While other automakers are pushing the boundaries with sleek, modern, and tech-forward sedans, Subaru has taken a conservative approach with the Legacy. The exterior design, while not offensive, is bland and lacks any real character. Unlike rivals such as the Toyota Camry or Honda Accord, which offer sporty styling and bold lines, the Legacy looks uninspired. Under the hood, the 2025 Legacy comes with two engine options: a base 2.5-liter four-cylinder and an optional 2.4-liter turbocharged engine. While the turbocharged engine provides decent power, the base engine is underwhelming. The CVT transmission doesn't help, as it makes the car feel less responsive and more disconnected from the road. Inside, the Legacy offers a spacious and comfortable cabin, but it lacks the premium feel of its competitors. The materials used in the interior, while durable, don't feel as refined as what you'd find in a Mazda 6 or even a Hyundai Sonata. The 11.6-inch infotainment touchscreen is a nice addition, but Subaru's user interface still feels clunky compared to other systems in the segment. Some owners have reported laggy responses and occasional glitches, which can be frustrating when trying to access navigation or media controls. If you're buying a Subaru in 2025, make sure you choose a model that fits your needs, while avoiding those with reliability issues or outdated technology. Subaru makes some of the best AWD vehicles on the market, but not every model is a winner. Choose wisely.